Fantastic event, good for everybody in the industry, and one of the most important things, acknowledging people in the industry, which is just a very good thing to do.
Yeah, really, I'm very, very happy.
Oh, absolutely fantastic. Yeah, over the moon.
To be honest with you, I'm shell-shocked.
This is the singular event that brings together everyone from the industry, suppliers, customers, everyone together for a really fantastic night to celebrate the very, very best of the laundry and commercial linens industry.
I would say now they would be recognised as the leading protagonists of the industry.
The LADAs evenings are always such good fun, and again it's around that singular thing of saying these are amazing success stories in the industry, amazing stories of young people in the industry making a difference, and we're here to celebrate that.
An event that I look forward to, it's the industry leading dinner, and it's something hopefully will go on for many, many years, and something that we will continue to support. It's a night that we put in our diaries very early.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tina and I would like to welcome you to the 5th LADA Awards at Mercedes-Benz World.
You've probably stayed in travel lodges, all of you. You have to, don't you? They're all the same. If you walk into, it doesn't matter where you're in the country, go into a travel lodge, open the door, as you go in, there's always a wardrobe with a pillow and a blanket on top of the wardrobe. Worst night's sleep you've ever had, right?
Well, this is my second year as a judge. I thought this year was much more difficult. So it would seem, from my limited experience, that the calibre is going up and up. There's so much more innovation in the industry now, and it's lovely to see newcomers coming in and making a difference, as well as existing businesses changing things so they can keep pushing the boundaries to improve their business and be more relevant for the modern times.
Well, we've never been before, but we're delighted to come to our first LADAs. Yeah, and so far very impressed. It looks a great event. We're very pleased to be here.
And the winner of this very prestigious award this evening is Jeffrey Yap.
Well, I think it's a splendid evening because it's a great opportunity for people from the industry to get together. There's not that many opportunities to do that. It's a good opportunity to recognise excellence and high achievement.